What made the Ark of the Covenant so powerful? It could destroy armies and cities. The Ark of the Covenant, one of the most sacred objects in the Bible, held a power beyond belief. Its immense power not only shaped the fate of nations, but also served as a profound symbol of divine authority and judgment. Let's explore the reasons behind its incredible strength. 1. God's divine presence. The Ark wasn't just a physical object, it was the dwelling place of God's presence on earth. Inside it, the 10 Commandments, Aaron's rod, and a jar of manna represented God's covenant. 2. Supernatural abilities. Wherever the Ark went, it wasn't just a symbol, it was a powerful force. In 1 Samuel 5, the Philistines who captured it faced plagues, and their idol Dagon was destroyed. 3. Destruction of Jericho. During the Battle of Jericho, the Israelites marched around the city with the Ark. On the seventh day, the walls collapsed and the city was destroyed, showing the Ark's role in God's judgment. 4. Divine judgment. In 2 Samuel 6, when Uzzah touched the Ark to steady it, he was struck dead instantly, showing the Ark was not to be taken lightly. The Ark's power wasn't in the object itself, but in what it represented, God's will and divine authority. Do you believe the Ark's power still holds significance today? Type Amen if you believe in its divine authority, and share this to remind others of its incredible power.